Hello everyone, hello yet again. Actually this video is specifically for X25 because he's been helping me out so much, and he seems to have a little bit of software issues every now and then. I decided to do something for him, mainly because he was, he's teaching me. He's putting up with a irritating old fool that doesn't learn quite as much as what he should and expects to go over there and wants him to teach him everything. I'm old, okay? This is for you, bud. Alright, so I'm going to launch up Arduino. I'm going to have this facing the computer monitor, so it may be bright, but he'll catch on to it real quick. Okay, looks like your standard Arduino. Ignore the skin, I've been playing around with Windows. But you go over to examples. There is an absolute buttload of examples, including the now working IR remote that he just got in, along with liquid crystal and other such things. Basically, I took the Teensy installer, see, Teensy, and patched the IDE, and then I went in and I modified it some more. This is the import library. There's the MS Timer 2. I think he had an issue with that once. There's the IR remote library that he can import. And there's actually so much of it, it actually goes past my screen, if you can see that. I mean, it doesn't scroll down. I can't go down any further. Has a better improved interface. It tells you what it is, what board it is. Like I said, this is mostly from the Teensy, but there's my board and his board specifically. Tell you exactly what on COM it is, so you don't have to go poking and choosing, and all this other kind of stuff. And to prove that it works, I'm going to open up examples. Alright, you know what, we'll just do blank. Alright, here's a basic example. An interesting thing about this is that Teensy, I saw a video on how to do a speed hack on how to improve the upload speed. Basically, it looks to see if the needed files, the extended needed files, have already been compiled, and if they have, it'll just make use of those. Because the Arduino always does a clean install and such, but once the extended library has been compiled, unless if you actually go in and you change the header files and all the library files, which I know he doesn't do, then it's just wasting time. So check out how fast this gets uploaded. I've already compiled it, but I'll go ahead and verify it again. And this is the upload. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 seconds. Underneath normal Arduino standards, that takes about 8 to 10 seconds. So it's actually really quick. And as you can see, it's running just well. So I'll pretty much be putting this pre-patched up here. It supports more boards, mainly, like I said, the Teensy board, because they're the one that actually did a majority of the work. I just went in there and modded a few files and whatnot.